Trying to decide between ChatGPT and Grok AI. Both are powerful AI assistants, but they offer different features, tools, and approaches to everyday tasks. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to compare ChatGPT versus Grok AI in 2026, so you can see which one fits your needs. So let's get started. First, open ChatGPT and Grok in separate browser tabs. Explore the main chat screen, navigation, conversation history, settings, and the tools available on each platform. The interface is important because you'll probably spend a lot of time working inside these menus. Next, give both AI assistants the exact same question. Compare their answers for accuracy, clarity, detail, reasoning, and how well they follow your instructions. Yeah, using identical prompts gives you a much fairer comparison. Now test both platforms with a writing or creative task. Ask them to write an article introduction, brainstorm ideas, rewrite text, or create social media content. I mean, the best choice can depend on your preferred writing style and the type of content you create. Give both assistants a research task and compare how they find, organize, and explain information. If current information matters, check the sources and verify important claims rather than relying on the AI response alone. Take a moment to compare not just the answer, but also how useful the supporting information is. For technical work, give both platforms the same coding or problem-solving task. Compare the generated code, explanations, debugging suggestions, and how well each assistant follows your requirements. Testing your real workflow is much more useful than simply looking at benchmark scores. Finally, compare the features, available models, usage limits, file capabilities, integrations, and subscription options that matter to you. These details can change over time, so check the current plans before making a decision. So instead of choosing a universal winner, choose the AI assistant that works best for your specific needs. And that's how to compare ChatGPT versus Grok AI. Both can be useful for writing, research, coding, brainstorming, and everyday productivity, but each platform has its own strengths and workflow. I mean, the best way to choose is to test both with the same real-world tasks and see which one consistently gives you the results you need. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.